The Hablamos activity. This is similar in the fact that it's similar to the 4.2 redacción, writing assignment, that is only, you only have to do this every other unit. So I'm using the October Unit 3 to demonstrate this one. So you'll only do this one every other time. Again, notice when it was posted, when it's due. Here you have the instructions. It says, you need to have a device with a camera and microphone. Your telephone is actually ideal for doing this. If you go through your app on your phone, you will probably have to type in the password and then make sure that you navigate to the right folder. So this one would be the presentation for Unit 3 folder. If you are doing this on a computer or you go through Google Classroom on your phone, if you click on this link, it will take you directly to the folder that you need to go to. So I'm going to click on the link, and it takes me to the here, and I'm going to use this password right here to get in. So I'm going to type Forsyth 2018 exclamation point. And it takes me straight to the Unit 3 presentation. Here I have my instructions. Explica como mínimo 3 relaciones familiares y describe cada una. And then I tell you in English what I just said there. So then what you'll do is you'll record your response. And your response needs to be in about 30 seconds. This is similar to another assignment that y'all did for writing. So it shouldn't be too complicated. So I'll click on the plus sign. Now I'm on my laptop, so I can't record anything. But if I were on my phone, this is where you would record your piece. And it asks you to type in your name and your email address, I believe. So make sure that you put it in the same way that I always ask for your name, which is last name, comma, first name. Always put your last name and your first name, your whole last name and your whole first name. Otherwise, you may end up with a missing grade because, we didn't know who it was. And I think that about covers it. Oh, once you've done it and the due date, it's after the due date. Once you see a grade in Parent Portal for this assignment, you can go back and see what comments were made regarding your speaking, and get back with us if you have any questions or you want more specifics, and we will let you know. While we're in here, I'm going to go ahead and do this last part, the enriquecimiento. I've done a listening and a speaking. These are just enhancement. These aren't things you have to do, but they are things that you could do to continue to stretch and improve your Spanish.